son! Oh my God.
Hey, buddy, you okay?
You just slapped the shit out of me. Yeah, that was so embarrassing. Let me make it easier for you. Come on.